All right, what's up, everybody? This is your boy Gabs. We're going to try this one, but then I figured we should just hold off on it. By try, I mean we're not trying it. We were going to just look at it, and I took some a gander at it, and basically you just got keyboards. So E is just the event. Key down is this event. And they called it key down method. So when you press a key down, it references this function, and this function is here, and it says if something is pressed, key code. I guess key code is what we're looking at. And then when you go to here, keyboard events, right? Key code is what's used for pressing buttons, right? So you press a button, and if that is the left one, or if it's the right, or it's a letter, right? It says do something, right? And then it uses like moves and stuff, and I'm not entirely sure where they got the move function. Honest with you, like, so it's a new square and it moves it. So for where like is, I guess it's here. So that's good to know that that thing's in here. So yeah, so now we have a snake. Okay, I got it. So let's talk about it. So in this right here, you are going to have to change directions if a key arrow, the keyboard arrow is pressed. So for example, constants to represent direction. Interesting. Okay, so let's do this. First thing we need to do is we need to add a square, and we're going to add it in the very center of, or rectangle, whatever. Let's go ahead and let's make our variable green rect. All right, our green square. Make it easy on us. Do what we know. Do what we love. Square equals a new rectangle with and height. And we're going to set its position in the middle of the screen. That would be x is the width, and divided by 2. And height I. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add green square. Let's see. That does not look. Oh, okay. So it actually adds it to right here and not to the center. So we actually have to do. It's always minus. Snake width divided by 2. That looks centered to me. Cool. All right, so we got our green square and it's centered. Cool. Oh, I didn't set its I'm green. Wait a second. I'm not really sure how to use a color. Why did they just put green up there? That's why. For how long I still don't memorize. Alright, now we have to get it. Then we have to get it. Do we get it to move? Function. Set timer. Move square. 40. They have. We'll change it later. Okay, so let's do that first. Move square. And that function will be called move the square. That's upon starting it. This right here shows me there's not a, yeah, right, because there's no function. It just automatically moves it. So it's green square dot move, right? In which way are we moving it? Let's just start it off. Let's move it to the dx. Put it continuously. Okay, this is getting interesting, right? Because it starts off moving to the right. But then when when you change its directions, it keeps moving in that direction. Oh, this is interesting. So like if it's going up, it has to continue to move up. If it's going to the right, it has to continue moving to the right. If it's going to the left, it has to continue. You get the idea. You get the idea, right? Constants to represent direction. So it starts off moving to the left. So what if we do? What if when we start, we just go ahead and start it moving to the left? Okay. So that means its direction. But we can't use move. Because like move is when we are going to press a keyboard and hold it down. Okay, how about this? How about we give it an initial direction, and it moves to the right, and so that's east, right? Let's just say it's moving east, right? So then if initial direction, if a circle that equals east, then follow, right? Else if initial direction equals west, else if north, and we're going to continuously change its right. What we're going to do is every time we press a keyboard, it's going to change its initial direction, and then as it sets the timer, it's going to read, well, what's your initial direction? And if its initial direction is east, it's going to continue moving. So that's where we're going to move it. Oh yeah, we have to do that. Okay, so it's X. Okay, so if it's in the east direction, it's going to continue moving east. So it's going to move positive X and nothing in the Y. Whereas if it's going west, it's going negative X and nothing in the Y. Or if it's going north, it's going, I think north is negative in the Y. So nothing X, nothing Y. That'll be, let's just try 10 and negative. That's great. Okay. Run this code to see that. Why is my thing not moving? I did something wrong. Direction. Move. I am thinking I am going no, because it's literally moving that object by that much. Right? That's what we saw on the last one. Ran this. Left, negative, right is positive. A is down, which is positive. Up is down, which is negative. Squared out, move. Squared out, move. If. They use a bunch of if commands. Look. And I'm gonna do this. It was up. This is down. we're not going to move the square. What we're going to do is we're going to change its initial direction. So if we move it to the right, its initial direction is east. If we move it to the left, initial direction is left. If we press up, its initial direction up. Right. That's on click. So on. No, it's not. It's not a click. It's down method. Why isn't it moving? I have something wrong. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait. No, no. I'm every 40. Well, that also. Oh, why this tends too small? No. 5. Maybe my coordinates are wrong. Maybe what I did here is wrong. Left is negative. Right is. Oh no. Not only references it. Brackets are good. Yeah. I don't know why that's not. Why not, right? Wait a second. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. My initial direction is east, and that was defined above this. So that's the problem, is that the initial direction has to be defined below these variables. God. All right, let's try it. Oh, what? No! No, it's not working. Okay. All right, we got that. We got that. All right, it moves. It moves. Now what's wrong? What's wrong here? Eat a keyboard up. Oh no! See. Now something is whack. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. All right. Um. Okay. Okay, we defined that. All right, key down method. Change. Key down. If e dot key to the left. Initial direction equals west. Do I have to type in variable? Because I've already. Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Yeah. There we go. Oh, down doesn't work. Why is down not work? Upward. All right. Down now work. Oh man. Save it, but keyboard dot up, keyboard dot down. Initial direction equals south. If initial direction equals south. So either I've spelled something incorrectly. What if, I mean, if I did, let's try this. Oh. 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 That's why. Saw it. There it is. Oh, alright. That's it. Save. Submit. Continue. This is the last one in 4.8. Alright. Alright. What is this? You drop is right program as you move circles around the screen by dragging and dropping them. Wow. Oh. Okay, so it's an atom in a random location of random colors. Alright, it already does that for us. Well, thank goodness. We don't have to do that. Okay. Add your drag and drop code. So we're gonna need 3 functions on this one. I know that for sure. On click, on drag, on drop. On click, on drag. And these guys drop. Drag. I don't know. On drag. On click. On hold. And on release. I'm gonna have to call up 3 different features. Function. Click. That's an. What does this have to do with keyboard? By the way. Right? Function. Hold. There's nothing about keyboards. Function. Release. Okay. I don't even know what we're gonna use the null for. Get element at function. What? Click on the object, turn it red. Turn red. Variable element, get element at color. Interesting. So on click, we can. I don't know. I think we're gonna have to get rid of variable. We get it x and it's y, and then element does not equal null. Set color. What? What does that even mean? Um. Killing me. Killing me, Smalls. Why do I need this? The click, what does the click do? It identifies which circle we are choosing. This moves circle to current mouse position. This releases current selection. All right, so in here we're gonna have to do circle dot set position, right? That would be e get x e dot y. I'm just building parts of the code that I know because I'm stuck at that point. I don't know what this is. I don't know yet, right? I don't know why that's null. If the element is false, why is it false, right? We'll figure it out. Oh, at its current position. Draw circles. Here's the thing, we have circle dot set position. All right, let's look at this for variable circle. It's going to create 3 circles. I plus change the number of circles. Probably, yep. Those radius. All right, so we that has to have a identifies which circle. If the element's not the one we're doing, set the circle. Circle equals circle, I guess. Circle equals element. I don't know. Have that up here. Get a new circle. Selection. Yes, no. It says if it's null, I don't know. I'm just throwing shit out. See if it works. Like, change the current selection. So right, selection equal element. I don't see a reason for that. All right, so we're selecting an element. So if I click, I select that element. I think that's what that's all I need to do. Create a variable called element when we click. And our current selection is that element. If that element, while we click it, we need to hold it. Wait a second. I got these backwards. Hold is mouse drags. Rearrange it. All right. Click. Click. Drag down method is hold. Or holding, I set its position. Change selection. Keys. Hey. What happens if But it works though. Why? What? This is, see, check it out. My code works. I wonder if it's working in check the code. I don't need release. Check that out. I don't even know what that null thing was used for. That was just so odd to me. Wait a second. I wonder if that's what it's for. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, because I want to do this right. I really want to do this right. So my code definitely works. Where I can click on something, but if I select something that's not there, then I don't care. I'm done. This is over. It works. It's over. No, I want to do that. I want to finish it. If you click and it's no. Nah, I'm done. Forget about it. That's it for this video, guys. It works. It runs the code. You can click, you can drag, you can drop. It does its job. That's all it asked for. And I'm done. Peace out.